Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Yield Farmer. Okay, so today is the big day. I'm going to pay my taxes, or at least get it to my bank account. My portfolio is up slightly since last week. As you can see, of course, at the exact bottom, I had to sell to get enough to pay off my taxes. But anyway, so Bitcoin's up 10%, of course, Ethereum 13. But anyway, yeah, it's been up and down, and macro wise, I still think we're heading down another leg. Let's check the yeah, as you know, my taxes for this year is like 350,000 Norwegian kroner. That's roughly 35,000 euros, and it's due date already. It feels like a lot of time since I got this, but it's already due. So here we are in Binance, and as you can see, I have like the 34,000 ready to go. That's the crypto I sold last week. Yeah, the reason I think that we're going lower, I can explain it a bit. I mean, many people feel we've already reached the bottom. This can be a double bottom in Bitcoin price. However, there is huge macro indicators that point to the other side. And of course, this is not financial advice. This is just how I'm thinking for my portfolio anyway. The dollar currency index is going stronger, and as you know, when the dollar is strong, the risk assets like crypto goes down. So this is one factor. This dollar getting stronger, it's bad for crypto. And also the interest rates, of course. The interest rate is the single biggest, most important factor for all assets of all classes: real estate, stocks and crypto and everything else. Of course, the central banks are trying to defeat the inflation by raising the interest rates, and we're already back at pre-COVID levels. Yeah, it will be interesting to see how far this goes. Let's transfer our fiat money into my bank account. This is so scary. If you get one number wrong, who knows what happens. So I'm paying 1.6 Bitcoin for my taxes this year, and it feels bad. It feels so bad. Anyway, so in Binance we go to fiat and spot, and we withdraw our money. And we use the SEPA bank transfer. And yeah, I've transferred to this account before, and that's why I prefer Binance to. I mean, any centralized exchange could be used for this, but I've used Binance before, and I'm really happy with the speed and everything. So I keep using them. I will take a round number just to make it easier in accounting for 2022. All right, and transaction fee is €1. So here we go. Is this the right? Yes, this is the right bank account. Okay, continue. Withdrawal confirmation, confirm. And now for the All right, here we go. And withdrawal order is submitted. Okay, it's a really good experience. So today I will not do any major changes to my portfolio. I still think Bitcoin is at a really good purchase point, because the Bitcoin dominance has been so low the 2 last weeks. I think it will go up from here, and maybe altcoins will fall and Bitcoins will fall less. But yeah, I think Bitcoin dominance will go up. So let's get to it. It's so sad to see all these farms now because they're so low. But during this autumn, I will actually increase my positions in these farms. My adventures in the traditional finance world has been terrible, and my investments in crowd lending and stocks and yeah, it's been terrible. I mean, I would rather invest in crypto again than keep working in the traditional space. It's so slow, and it's more risky, and it's yeah, it's always these guardians at every level. It's like the bank, and you have the stock brokers and all of this unnecessary bureaucracy. I don't like it. I really love ApeSwap. They are ranked low on DeFiSafety.com. However, not super low, and they've always had great returns. So yeah, I like them. In case I have not explained that earlier, I do keep, you know, it would be easier for me to just have one huge farm on ApeSwap or QuickSwap. However, as you probably know, it's better to diversify a bit. I mean, if QuickSwap just suddenly becomes hacked, then you don't lose everything. If you keep it in smaller portions on different dexes, that's what I would suggest anyway. At these rates, it's almost not sustainable to farm every week, because if you have to spend like 3, 4, 5 CRO just to make the or to farm your tokens, then it's like 10-20% disappears in the process because of the high fees. Oh yeah, so sad to see these farms produce so little every week now. It's like I said last video, every time there's a real dump in the market like we are in right now, it's like everyone wants more of their own money. You know, money doesn't come as loosely as you would expect in a bull run. Obviously, I mean, it's obvious, but it hurts you when you're in that position. It seems Phantom is slow today, even at the aggressive setting. So I don't know about that, but that's like a bad sign. With the Ethereum merge coming up, you would think more people are going back to Ethereum, and these layer 2s or these EVM alternatives need to be as fast or faster than Ethereum to stand a chance, I mean, for liquidity. So I don't like that Phantom is so slow. Okay, one of them went through. Okay, that's good. Of course, one minus point of this whole farming situation I'm in is that the curve tokens are not swappable on the Avalanche chain. So I have to send it to Ethereum and swap it on Uniswap. So a lot of the value is lost there. So that's why I don't do that every week. But I still count the value to the daily APY that I write about in in the thumbnail picture. So I'm doing this to keep track of my own money and to keep track of my investments, not only to brag about it. It's quite a high transaction fee. You know what? It's so small. The farm this week has been so small that I'm actually going to skip until next week to move it to the BNB chain, just to avoid all these transaction fees, just to make sure that that not everything is lost in the daily transaction chaos. All right, so that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed staying with me and paying my taxes. I'll see you next week, and yeah, keep on farming. Like if you liked this video, and subscribe if you loved it. All right, bye bye.